everybody. It's October 11, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All a humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in. The FOMO index has inched up to 24 from yesterday's 22. Bitcoin dominance is 39.8%. 24-hour volume is 54 billion. Heartbreakingly low. And the overall market cap is 921 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, it looks like Bitcoin partook in some turkey dinners and then sat on the couch all night in a turkey coma, because besides feathering down a smidge, well, she didn't do too much. After struggling to stay above our ascending channel, Bitcoin fell through support, finding a bottom at 18.9 and has its eye on the support line, which is now resistance at time of production 19.1. And I do feel we're in the part of the tsunami where the water resides and everybody starts scratching their heads, wondering what's about to happen. Could be the Fed minutes tomorrow, which we already know, or the inflation numbers on Thursday, which we already know, but we'll be fudged to fluff the government's narrative. But either one can provide the economic oompah to move the market. If today is not that day and we see some low volume and movement, I'd like to tuck back up and into our channel, flipping resistance back into support at 19.3, where we'll have to slay the 20 moving average dragon, which has been keeping us down since last Thursday. And if we can get past her, our next level of reckoning will be at 19.6. Now over on the ding-dong, we are having our own struggles with the 20 moving average dragon, as it too has been flipped into resistance. You can see besides these 10 days above it, well, we've spent about 40 days below it. So she's been a real bearish thorn in our side, but it's to be expected in a downtrend. And would you look at that? We are currently in a descending channel. A couple lines of support to keep your papers on. It's that 18.9 level and 18.4. Failing a bounce from that will likely retest support 17.9. Data alert. Yes, there is a little bit more bearish divergence as we see price action making lower highs, while the MACD has made slightly higher highs. She's weak. But in a downtrend, with a couple of doozy Fed announcements coming, it could be the economic straw that breaks the bearish camel's back. Quick look at the Wookies. Says we're in red country, which is somewhat to be expected. After 2 consecutive shooting star candles, in order to paint it green, we'll have to close above 19.4, which doesn't seem too kooky, but fun fact, that would be 3 green weekly candles in a row. How long has it been since we saw 3 green weekly candles in a row? Well, it's been an entire year. Yes, last October, We scraped 3 green candles together and haven't done that since. So let's recap, shall we? The 4-hour chart is hoping to tuck up and into our ascending channel, flipping resistance back into support at 19.3, where we'll attempt to slay the 20 moving dragon and take back 19.6. The ding dong has spent 40 of the past 50 days under the 20 moving average, where we currently are now, hoping to grab some bounces from 18.9, 18.4, if she's so darn tootin', 17.9. The Wookie is currently red, with a painted green price target, 19.4. And if I say if we painted green, we'll have carved out 3 consecutive green candles in a row. A feat, well, we haven't seen for well over a year. And it might not be something, but she sure ain't nothing. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected league. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning day. Hey, whoa.